y'all, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video I will be moving this stuff out the way right here and planting have some kale and some mustard greens, some red mustard greens, and some lettuce that I'm going to be planting in this section right here. So I just planted, let me pull this up, sorry about the shakiness. So I just planted in this section, if you guys can see, the kale and in this section, just the kale. Those are some greens that you see right there. I started them at the beginning of the fall season, and those were the only seeds that actually came up. So I just transplanted all of the new seeds that you guys see. All of those little plants that you guys see, I just put those in that area. And I have it covered because, as you guys know, the sun is shining. Even though we have some cool weather, I don't want the sun to burn them. So I have an old tarp that I just put up, pinned it to the fence for right now until I get an actual shade cloth, just to protect the plants from the sun from burning the plants. So I'm going to dig into this area, move all the stuff out, and plant my kale into this area. So y'all, I need your help. What is this? This thing, right, where's my finger? Right there. Yeah, what is that? Why are they all over? You see him right there? They're all over my peppers. I haven't even pulled these peppers because of these bugs. I sprayed the peppers with soapy water. It doesn't seem to do anything to them. They come back. Do they bite? I know they love these peppers. I knocked them off. I come back a couple hours later, they're back. I spray it with soapy water. They come back, so I don't know. I need y'all help. What I do? All right, y'all. This is my section that I am going to be planting my mustard greens and my lettuce and my other kale in. I often say, if my plant roots were as strong as these doggone weed roots, my garden would be awesome. So I pulled up what I could pull up, and now I'm going to plant. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is plant this is hard neck garlic, and you guys can see it's starting to sprout already. So I have 5 of these, and I'm gonna plant these towards the back by the fence. Just so, see what I'm saying? Look, the more you plant, the more you find. So let me turn you guys around so you can actually see. So as you can see, that's the fence right there. So I'm just gonna go like, well, you can't even see that. So that's you saw where the fence was at. So I'm gonna dig a hole right here and take the garlic with the little node that's sticking up. Just put it in there like that. Stand him up and then cover him in. And then I'm coming right here. Do the same thing. I like to make sure try to pull as much of the weeds out as possible. Sometimes it's pretty hard. So that's 3. Can't get him. 4. And then one more right here. And there still are mosquitoes in the daytime. And that's the last one for this section. Still have some more garlic inside that needs to be planted. So that is the garlic around the perimeter. And then I'm going to go in and start planting my red mustard greens. I just seeded these on October 14th. And now I'm going to put them in, well, transport them in to my garden. So I'm just going to take my red mustard green sign and stick it in the soil right where I'm going to be planting my mustards. And I'm just going to take them and just pull them apart gently. Just like that. And just put them in the holes that I have created. And I'll show you guys in a second. Alright, so as you guys can see, I just set them in the holes for right now. So I'm just going to take the soil and then come back around and push it around them, just like that. Not too harsh. Make sure I'm standing them up. This one has a whole little section. This one's only one. Maybe I should have planted another one over here, but I didn't. All right, and let's see. Make sure you are not stepping on your plants. And make sure you don't cover them up either. See what I'm saying? All right. So that is it, guys. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plants of red mustard greens. And hopefully they will all sprout. And then I have 5 garlic back there. Then I'm going to water these in and let God do the rest. All right, y'all. Thank y'all for watching my video. Give me a thumbs up if I shared something that was helpful to you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, all that jazz. It's free. I would love to have you guys as a member right here on the channel. The channel is growing. Yes, we are at our 1,000 subs. Now we just need the watch hours. So watch, y'all. Share me with your family, your friends, everybody, y'all. Until the next time, you know what it is. Peace.